Hello. For those of us that we find it difficult to curve our armhole, I'll be illustrating shortly. And I have two types of armhole curve here. This is French curve as well for beginners, and this is also for beginners and professionals. So it's very easy to use to curve your armhole. Once you get, okay, let me just put it this way. At 14, there's a diagonal line, which is this. And on that diagonal line, you're going to measure 3 centimeter out. When you measure your 3 centimeter out, let's mark it this way. This is my 3 centimeter. All you need to do is, and you have your 11 here, all you need to do, whichever curve you want to use, place it in this direction. Mark this first. Can you see? I marked that to 32. Then I'll place it in this direction as well. Then mark it this way. Then I'll be using this side of the curve to connect 11 to 16. Can you see that? It's very simple. Now, for the center front, we just finished the center back. For the center front, all you need to do is this diagonal line at 22. What you measure out, just the same thing you did, you're going to measure out the same way you measure out on 14. All you need to measure out is 1.75 or 2 centimeter. Now when you do that, let's assume this is it, and of course this is your chest level. All you need to do is, it is very simple, there's nothing confusing there. All you need to do is to place this like this, you can see that, and do the same thing from that diagonal point. Can you see that? Now the next thing you're going to do is to connect 31 to 30. 31 to 30, and somewhere here, because you know you divided the answer between 30 and 31, you divided into 2, which gave you a point somewhere here, and you measured in 1 centimeter. It is very simple. That is why you can see that curve very well. All you need to do is to place your French curve in this direction. You can break it. You stop here, then that's where the 1 centimeter is. Then you do this as well. Can you see? You will blend it. It's very simple to curve. You can see I've quickly done that. So it is very simple. It is very simple. You can do it. You can get it right. Let me illustrate once again. All you need to do is, let's assume this is where you marked. You connect it this way first. This is the chest level. This is the middle. You connect it like that. Then of course, because this doesn't have the mark, you connect it. Can you see? Now this is for the center front. For the center back, let's assume this is where I measure out from the diagonal line. All I need to do is to do this. Connect it to the middle, and also from here I take it up. Then of course, remember this is 11 is somewhere here. Then I'll place it like this. Can you see that? It's very simple, very simple. All you need to do is to take your time. Thank you for watching.